Red light is on. And we got check this out. Got a bunch of boxes here, so I'm kind of pulling stuff as I go, and I'd forgotten about this. Nothing else in the box. We got a nice brown box. People kind of review the boxes. Test. Working. Oh, I forgot about this. It came, thank you note. Came with some software. Corel Video Suite, Painter, Paint Shop, and something else kind of dark in here. Oh, maybe I put them there for a reason. Okay, Aftershot Pro, Paint Shop Pro, Painter Essentials, Video Studio. So I gotta figure out. Yeah, got it at Best Buy, and it came. Oh yeah. The reason I'm doing these with the camera now is I'm trying to learn how to work the camera. I haven't used it too much. Yeah, a while back somebody said, before investing on all this other, got a map box and all kind of grips and V-mount batteries, and somebody's like, oh, you should invest in some lenses. So anyways, did a bunch of research and finally pulled the plug on a couple of Viltrox. I think it was either 27 or 24 millimeter 1.8 with the Auto Pro, and then my niece did a box was open, no tape. Maybe it's refurbished, I don't know. Anyways, maybe they sent me a refurbished. No, it looks good. Yeah, my niece did a video with a bunch of cell phone pictures and stuff, but she did that cinematic. Whoa, oh shoot, forgot to bring her back a little. So my niece did her wedding video with a bunch of the cell phone videos that everybody sent to her, but she did it in that cinematic, and I was like, wow, it looks pretty cool. I'd seen them on YouTube, but I was like, so I ended up getting the Surrey anamorphic lenses. Forgot what the specs are on those, but gotta figure those out. Oh, I did record a little bit, and then you figured out you gotta do the D-squeeze. Oh, and then with this, figuring out all this color, messing with the color grading. I was like, oh man, I should have just kept doing recording with my phone. It was a lot easier. Okay, so anyways, getting back to this, it's the Sigma 2470 f2.8 DG DN2. This is the newer one. Not sure what the difference is, but I figured out what the heck. Delta Golf, Delta November 2. Oh, filter size 82 millimeter. had it here all this time. I've been doing a bunch of research on filters because every time I'm trying to figure this stuff out, then you realize you need more stuff. Like I ended up getting the matte box, which is makes it look nice, but and then there's filters. I was like, oh man. The matte box I ordered didn't have filters. There was another one with filters. And I was like, ah. And then before I got that one, and then I had to get the adapters because adapters that came with it didn't fit any of the two kit lenses that I had. Well, one was a kit lens and the other was a 11mm wire that I did buy. But getting back to this. Oh. You get this box, I was going to say big old box, but box just for a strap, it looks like. Okay, well, at least it made space in this little cavity so this doesn't bounce around. Or I guess they could have made this a little smaller so this doesn't bounce around. But anyways, got a strap. Oh, for this. Check it out. It's got these little hooks for the strap. What the? Alright, heading. That's pretty well made. Not sure if this is tape or some, oh yeah, it's tape. One of those Velcro type things, but no, just tape. So, boom, boom, and there you go. Check it out. Okay. Wow, pretty nice. Yeah, definitely new. Wow. Whoa. This is gonna make the camera look tiny. Well, all the lenses already make the camera look tiny, but man, this is nice. Feels like a nice lens. Alright, that's it in there. Get rid of, make sure there's nothing else in here. And trash. Wow, it feels nice. I think that's the smooth. Click. Let's see if it clicks. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't be touching this thing. Oh, I think I got it dirty already. Took off the little cap off the bottom and I smudged it with my finger. Alright, click. Trying to see if it we can hear it click. But I was debating. So this is a 2470 2.8, but I was debating the 2040 or something like that. But I think one of them has the internal zoom. Talking about zoom. Yeah. So, I was trying to, it says click, and, oh, it has a lock maybe. Oh, there it goes, yeah. Can you hear that? Yeah, it has a lock. So it has a lock for the exposure. And so that's click and no click. Nice. And what else? So your zoom, autofocus or manual. It's got two buttons there. I think you can assign them for something. It's got a lock here. Let's see what that's for. Oh, right there. It says lock. Maybe see what it locks. Oh, look at that. Didn't move anymore. Locked it in place. That's pretty cool. So you don't accidentally move it. Now figure out how to unlock it. Bring it back. So lock. How'd I do that? Huh. I was trying to figure out how to get it to lock. Now I can't figure out how to get it to unlock. Okay, well, we got click. No click. And then I think there's a lock. What is this? There's another little thing there. But other than that, it looks pretty nice. Oh, I smudged it. Oh no, I didn't. Maybe it's just a reflection, something. But there it is. The Sigma 2470. Alexa off. Oh, there we go. Now, this is the zoom here. I was moving something else over here. It just kept spinning. So let's see. We still haven't figured out the lock then. Oh. No. Is it, what is that for? There, no. Okay. Alright. So, put in a lock. It's locked, but I gave it a little nudge, and it went. So I guess so you don't have to mess with a little button here, and if you have to, you go. Get it and go. Alright, so don't know what else to say about this except that looks nice, feels nice, and it'll probably shoot nice. So for specs, go to the other sites. This is just for it's just for fun. All right. Cool. Oh, see what it looks like with the hood, the lens hood. Okay, looks a little nicer, a little meaner. There you go. It's got a... Oh, this also locks in place. It's got a little button here to... oh, there it is. to unlock. Nice. Cool. That looks nice.